Hi, everybody. Today we are going to be revisiting Fely's world. We are going to see what he might be getting up to soon and reminisce on what we have done in 2024. We have done so many fun things already in 2024 and learned so much. Oh, we know how much Fely loves his book of poetry and his songs. His shelves are starting to look a little bare here. He's taking his pictures of his family and friends off the wall. Okay, I am not certain at all what's going on here, but I believe Fely has plans for 2025. Just 6 months ago or so is when Fely's world all began. This is where he started and when he started taking on his little life. As a needle felter, I typically express myself through making art dolls. For a few years, I kind of lost my passion though, and I really missed creating. And Fely's World and starting the YouTube channel was my way and my road back to creative inspiration. This journey was definitely meant to be shared with everyone because we've all been there. We've all lacked inspiration or motivation or just not having fun creating anymore. For all of you who have joined in on this journey, I hope that you all have learned new techniques or just having fun and creating. I know some may think it's all really silly about building a world around your felted doll, but I think sometimes we need some silliness. And the silliness kind of reminds us of when we were children and our imagination. And that's important. Having a creative mind is extremely important, especially now. We have to create. We need to create. We love to create. Sometimes just creating the oddball or off little things, such as props for your dolls, is a breath of fresh air and super fun. So we've definitely learned in 2024 how to make a few little things, have a little fun here and there. I will also let you in on a little secret. I really like making these dramatic shots. It's also being creative. But yeah, I kind of like making that stuff. Here we are. This is when we created Fely's loot. And yeah, that was a fun process too. I just kind of go with it. Fely here, enjoying his best life, getting to play his lute and having his poetry songbook next to him. We made some boxes and little scrolls for Fili as well to put away and store for later. We met some of his family, in a sense, or at least their portraits, and some of his friends. And we furnished his little home. Us looking back on 2024, we have really truly added so many little special touches. We also dived deeper into how to create faces for needle felted dolls, some tips, some tricks. We had fun with the tap, tap, taps and just learning how to mold that face. And, oh, of course, how to, or should I say, when to just rip things off if they're not working. Just get rid of it. Also, let's not forget the stages of love and hating the face. We also started armature building. We learned about wrapping the armature. We marched our way into learning how to costume and add details, and having ideas for using things of nature to incorporate into our creations. There was needle felting of clothes, such as this shirt, and then later on to some spicy tights. Which, by the way, Fern loves them because they fit her perfectly. Adding just the right little touches to make things look better or pop or even cover up some mistakes. We did that too. Fern in all her witchy forest witchy glory here. Us making Fern was really fun. I loved making Fern. I can't believe it's already been 6 months and watching the seasons change. Oh, wow. Feli and Fern, they got up into some stuff. They're roasting marshmallows here. I mean, what fun is that? They do things. Some of you all may remember me saying that my dolls have things to do, and well, that was a great example of that. They have things to do. And I think that silliness also comes from childhood, but it also, like I mentioned earlier, just gives us ideas, helps us be more creative. Another example, they went from roasting marshmallows to having a Halloween party with ghosts. I mean, come on. They're busy little dolls. It's all been super fun, and I just hope it inspires you all to try new things and be silly and do the fun stuff. And then, wow, we got to the Christmas couple. We learned how to make mittens, clothes, and more props. Oh, and let's not forget hairdos. Yeah, we started working on hairdos and beards and wrinkles and all that fun stuff. Oh, yes, we have done so much in such a short amount of time. The madness of creating Santa's hair and beard and all his massiveness of hair. And there they are, finished in all their Christmas glory. Marvy over here being a little creepy, but I'm sure we'll see more of him in 2025 too. Oh my goodness, yes, and we did fingers and hands in 2024. Hands are really cool. I really like using them. They hold my props. We also dabbled in a little wet felting to create a witch's hat. Using nature again to make props. We played with thread and fabric and we went through our bits and bobs. I know in 2025 we'll be doing that as well and doing some planning. Some fun fuzzy visits from Marvy. I am not entirely certain what Fely has planned. I don't think he's saying goodbye. I think he's just saying goodbye to 2024. And that we've got a whole lot to look forward to for 2025. Sounds like an adventure to me. Thanks so much, and until next time.